Flax seeds, भिगो के रखो, and next day it's like a proper, you'll get like nice tight skin.
Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. I found this DIY facelift mask very interesting since I feel that my skin has begun to sag in my late 30s. And it goes without saying that I do want it to appear very lifted and snatched. So I'm going to try this celebrity beauty hack on camera for all you guys. In fact, this DIY facelift is trending in the West as the home Botox facelift for that snatched and lifted skin, which got me even more interested in trying it out. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. So the best part about this DIY facelift mask is that we need just one ingredient. And that is flaxseed, of course. Guys, I don't even need to mention this, but flax seeds are an amazing source of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, and they also boost collagen production in your skin. Also, being very high in vitamin E, flax seeds help in keeping the skin bouncy and youthful looking. So Mrunal insisted on soaking the flaxseed overnight for best results. So I'm going to do the same. So here, for half cup of flaxseed, I'm going to add 1 cup of water to soak it well. So this has been soaking overnight and it's the next morning, and the seeds already seem to have released their gel. The water has turned slightly slimy. Guys, for some reason my camera is unable to focus, but anyway, I'm going to move on to the next step. Now it's time to boil these soaked seeds to extract out gel properly. So here I'm going to add some more water and place it over medium flame. And as always, I'm going to suggest that you use a heavy bottom pan so that the gel doesn't burn. Within 5 to 6 minutes, the seeds have begun to froth and the gel has begun to release. And after almost 10 to 12 minutes, the gel has properly been extracted, and this slimy thing is a clear sign of it. So after say 15 minutes, I'm going to turn off the flame, because if you overcook it, then it will be very difficult for you to strain the seeds. Now while it is still hot, pour all the seed mix into a strainer, because once it cools down, it becomes very difficult to extract out the seeds. Here you have to press it hard with a spoon. In fact, after you have obtained the gel, don't throw the seeds away. They can be boiled one more time for a second batch. So here we have 100% pure flaxseed gel. I think the consistency is just right, because thicker gel solidifies on the facial skin very quickly, and it makes it very difficult for you to move your muscles, and it's very uncomfortable. So I have washed my face and my skin is squeaky clean. The flaxseed gel has been chilling in the fridge and it almost looks like freshly squeezed aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to apply a thick and generous layer. Since it is cool, it feels so nice. Once you have applied it nicely, let it dry for say 15 to 20 minutes. And here, as you can see, this has started to dry out. I can really feel a pull on my skin. Seriously, all the muscles and the skin feels so snatched. I'm sure this is how Botox feels in real life. I have never got Botox done, so I'm just taking a guess. And after a good 20 minutes, this is time to wash it off. I rinsed it with plain water, and I won't lie, but my husband said that my facial skin did appear slightly snatched after the first use itself. So if I'm going to use this on a regular basis, then it would give me even better results. And let's not even forget that flax seeds are an awesome source of collagen. So the more often you use, the tighter and firmer the skin is going to become. I'm also going to apply a nice rice toner for a very firm and fresh look. So I think this celebrity hack really works. I highly recommend that you try it out for yourself to see the results. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and also follow me on Instagram. And I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.